After a long haul, do you find a simple inspection feels like a workout because of a heavy, uncooperative hood? Let's open the hood on this Kenworth T880 and see what's going on. Using a power tool, I'll unscrew the bolt on this end. Similarly, use a power tool to unscrew the bolt on the other end and remove the entire gas strut. Our gas springs are engineered with premium materials for reliable performance and a flawless, direct fit replacement for the Kenworth T680. What's more, our parts are more affordable than OEM. Order now for fast shipping and get your truck back on the road faster. The installation process is just like the removal. Insert the stud into the joint's eyelet and secure it with a bolt. Similarly, attach the other end's eyelet to the fixed stud. Tighten the bolt, and the installation is complete. With the hood closed, you're ready to hit the road. If you have any questions, you can find our contact information at the end of this video. This gas strut with OEM part number L71-6024 is compatible with the Kenworth T880. Search our website at shop.gastac.com. Enter L71-6024 to find the gas spring, and you can then place an order.